Okay, so here we go. We're looking at the picture in our book, the giraffes. It says, giraffes have long necks. Can you find a subject in that sentence? Who has long necks? Giraffes. There's a subject you can write right there on your T-chart in your journal. Giraffes. What do giraffes do? They have long necks. So you're going to write the predicate on this side. Have long necks. If you choose that sentence, you could choose one of these sentences. You only have to have two sentences in your T-chart. So 2 subjects and 2 predicates. All right, this says they have long legs too. So who has long legs too? They. So they could be your subject. What do they do? They have long legs too. So the last sentence says giraffes can run fast. Who can run fast? Giraffes. What can they do? They can run fast. So remember, when you're finding the subject, remember to ask yourself who or what does something. Then when you're looking for the predicate, look for the verb. Look for what they do or what they have. They have or something that they do, okay? And that is your predicate. So now you're going to pick 2 of these sentences and write 2 subjects and 2 predicates in your journal. Make sure you take a picture and turn it in to your teacher.